Hello and welcome guys. So today we are going to discussing about the new platform. So this platform launched today and first I am going to make recharge in this platform to buy first plan. So first of all you need to click on the recharge, then you need to click on copy this wallet address, and when you need copy this wallet address, first of all you need to make deposit for any plan where you want to deposit. So just I want to deposit in first plan, so I'm going to deposit for first plan. So here are many plans, so I am going to tell you that in first plan you need to do 5 tasks and you will earn daily $2.8, and in the second plan you will earn $22, and in the third plan you will earn a lot, and how much make deposit you will earn a lot. So here you need to choose any kind of platform, so you can make deposit for every platform. So here are many plans, so you can choose anyone where you want and where you can feel very comfortable. So now I am click on the teams, and just you need to click on your copy the invitation link and just share it with your friends, families and with your team members, and you can get and earn team commission from third levels, level A, level B and level C. So you can download this app and you can use for easy way. So after this you need to click on the backup. Here you can see that here are many options, so you need to see here if my balance is 30, and just I can task here, I can perform my 5 tasks for VIP 1 plan. So just you need to click on home and click on your task, and when your task will be complete, then after this you can make withdrawal very easily. Just you need to click on the home. Here you can see my VIP 1 plan is open and lock is unlocked. Just click on the submit, and after this you just need to click on the back buttons, and after this you can see here are the many tasks, and just you need to click on 5 tasks. When your 5 tasks will be done, so this will be pasted automatically, and this not allowed to do more works. So you are watching that I am doing my task, and when my task will be complete, so I cannot and I cannot perform many tasks. Only 5 tasks are allowed. So my tasks have been completed, so just I need to go back on the dashboard and click on the withdrawal, and simple I can get my withdrawal. So here you can see that my all task has been completed. Total revenue 2.8 USDt. So first of all you need to bind your wallet address. So I am going to bind my wallet address. Just I paste my wallet address here, and I wrote transaction password, and keep it mind always which you are putting, always keep it mind and don't forget your transaction password. So simply I just put my transaction password, wallet address and click on the submit, and my account has been bind successfully. And after this you need to click on the withdrawal, and when you will click on withdrawal, here you will see amount, and you need to put your amount how much you have in your account. So I have only 2.8 USD. This is my today earning. So payment password and wallet address, and simply I am going to click on submit. So my application for withdrawal have been submitted successfully. Just I need to wait for my withdrawal, and this is a very amazing platform and launched today, and hopefully I got my withdrawal just in 1 minutes and half minutes. So you can see here 2.8 USDT withdrawal successfully, and here is date and time mentioned. Okay guys, see you in the next video and keep supporting me.